NewsMakerPRO review, demo, and $2,325 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my NewsMakerPRO review. Now this is an amazing piece of software that essentially runs your whole website for you. So you only have to install it once on any website, on a brand new website, on a website that you already own, and it will create post after post after post for you. So this way you can create an amazing looking news site, and from that point on you can put ads on it and monetize it and just create a passive income stream for yourself. You can actually do this for other people and charge hundreds of dollars for it, or you can just flip these websites super easily and make hundreds of dollars this way as well. So the income potential is endless here, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do, how to use it. We're gonna go through some examples, a full demo, and I have a custom made bonus to it that I made myself. So this custom bonus will just make it so much better, and on top of it I have a bunch of different bonuses that are worth over $2,000. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's jump into it. So the first thing I wanted to show you is I just want you to go to flippa.com and check out the prices of websites that people are selling. Okay, so I just typed in news, and then in the website category, as you can see, even brand new websites that don't have any backlinks, they are brand new websites created a few days ago. The current price right now is anywhere from $89 to $119. So you can literally set up a site like this in 5 minutes and sell it immediately for up to $119. Now, if you're gonna let it run for like a month or 2 or 3 months, obviously you're gonna have some content, you're gonna have some backlinks pointing to it, and then you can sell it for thousands of dollars. As you can see, this website sells for $3,500. There's another one right here for $3,000, $2,000, even $5,000. So obviously it's totally up to you if you want to sell these websites instantly, or if you want to keep them a little bit longer, create some content and just have something to show for, and then charge 4 figures instead of low 3 figures. Okay, so just you can do your own research on flippa.com. It's absolutely amazing how much money you can make. And another thing you can do with the software is just charge people for a service. So if you're gonna go to fiverr.com, type in website development, as you can see, people are charging anywhere from $50 to like $250 for a simple setup of a website. So at this point, all you have to do is just install this plugin on a website of your client, and you can easily charge them hundreds of dollars as well. So again, you can monetize this software in a bunch of different ways. These are just a couple of different ways that have nothing to do with marketing or sticking with whatever you want to do. This is just some easy, fast money. You can just get this software today and turn it around and make 3 figures today or tomorrow if you're gonna get the client. So super easy. And obviously if you want to create a passive income stream, hold on to these websites and just create a few $100s per site per month, a passive income stream that you can do as well. Okay, right now let's jump to the sales page and let's read off the headline. As you can see, it says must have for all marketers, automated income site builder. New WordPress plugin creates 100% automated setup and forget sites that earn commission and bring profits day after day using free traffic. So again, all you have to do is set this up once. Now you can go through the sales page in your own time, but I just wanted to hit on some key points. As you can see, Igor, the guy behind the course, is actually using these for making money with Google AdSense, and he has some major proofs. So he's making $500 here, $1,600 here, $500 here again. So as you can see, this is recent proof from 2019, from July 2019 actually, and this is just one of the ways that you can make money with this. Just put Google AdSense ads on your site and just cash in big. They get some testimonials as always. NewsMakerPRO, that's the name of the product. And again, this is my NewsMakerPRO review. We're going to do a demo in a second. They will have a little demo right here on the sales page, so you can check it out as well. And they will have a couple of options. So single site, $21. Multi-site license, $22. So just for $1 more, you can use it on up to 10 sites. Pretty amazing, right? that's essentially it. Obviously they have a 30 days money back guarantee. And right now let me show you the inside of the members area. But first of all, let me show you an example site. Okay, so this site was created with this plugin. Okay, so you can go to newsmakerpro.live and check it out yourself. You don't have to do anything. This whole website and content is automatically added. So as you can see, you know, it's pretty visual, looks amazing. You know, we can add different categories like sports, business, entertainment, health. Totally up to you. You know, you have these sliders right here. You have the recent posts, as you can see, with a slider as well from the health and fitness. Then we have fashion and lifestyle. You know, you can set this up however you want. You know, with the slider right here. You know, with the big thumbnails, with the small thumbnails on the right. Totally up to you. So as you can see, this is an amazing looking website, and again, this is something completely done for you. You just have to set it up once, and then from this point on you can monetize it, sell it, do whatever you want. So this is how the main site looks, and obviously you're gonna be adding articles to this site, and all of this is automated. So NewsMaker Pro actually goes out there and it searches the web for content. So you don't have to write anything, you don't have to look for images, you don't have to embed videos, you don't have to do anything. This piece of software will do it for you. So as you can see, you know, I'm on an article right now, so you have you know, some videos, we have some images, we have well over 1,000 words, and then, you know, we can leave a reply. So all of this was generated automatically, and you can you know, set this up so you can even add 10-20 posts a day if you want. So just imagine how much time you're going to be saving by not having to write all of this yourself. So this is how it looks like, and this is how it looks like on the back end. Okay, so you're gonna install this WordPress plugin on your website, and then you have all of the options right here. Now I'm not going to show you a live demo right now because I would have to hook it up, etc. But I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you are on my blog right now watching this, right below this video you're gonna find a full demo. If you are on YouTube, the video I will upload after this one will be the full demo, so you can check it out. But essentially you have the knowledge base, you have the support, you have the video training, and the changelog right here, so you can obviously go through all of the settings right here. So you can remove duplicate posts if you want to. You might set it up so it doesn't create posts if a feature image is missing. You can enable Google Translate. You can enable spin rewrites if you want to have an original article. You can capture the full article or just a part of the article. As you can see, you know, you're going to be adding your Google Translate API key, etc., spin rewriter, email and key right here. So this is how you can set this up, and then integrations. As you can see, we have Facebook, Blogger, Twitter, News API, and then RSS. This is how this plugin pulls in all the information. Then we have the news stream. Obviously, you know, you have all of these different news streams right here. Then you have the share schedule. So, you know, you can set it up so you can have 1 post a day, 5 posts a day, 10 posts a day, totally up to you. Then we have the keyword replacer and the done for you category. So this is how it looks like, and again, I'm going to have a full demo right below this video on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so check it out. And right now, let's check out the pricing and all of the funnel upsells. Okay, so as you can see, a NewsMaker Pro will be $27, and this is actually the end price, and so between 27 and 37 Lite and Pro. But as you saw, actually the price with the early bird will be $21 and $22. So a pretty massive discount, $15 on the multi-site license. So definitely a no-brainer. And keep in mind, you can just flip one of these sites and make 3 to 4 figures. So pretty amazing. Then we have audio number 1, $37 to $47, and this will be the premium plus version, which essentially allows browser push notifications, which means that you can essentially grab all the information of the visitors visiting these websites, and you can contact them at any point with a new blog post, with any affiliate promotion, anything you want. Anytime you want to just contact these visitors, you can. And you're also going to get 5 additional WordPress themes. So that's audio number 1, and it will be, as you can see, $37. Audio number 2 is between $47 and $97, and this is unlimited size license. Okay, so again, going back to the sales page, single site will be $21, 10 sites will be $22, and if you want unlimited sites, that will be between $47 and $97. This is especially if you want to be flipping these sites. You know, obviously you want to flip more than 10, so you know, you can just keep on flipping them, or just keep on setting this up for your clients. So that's audio number 2. Audio number 3, we have 197 to 297, and this is 50 done for you sites. So obviously you can go through the whole process 50 times yourself, or you can get the 50 done for you sites. So this is totally up to you. If you need just one, you won't need this upsell. If you need 10, you won't need. But if you want to take massive action, start flipping these sites in a massive way and make even more money, maybe even just sell these sites as is on Flippa or on Fiverr, then this will be 197 to 297, audio number 3, and the last audio number 4, 297 to 497, and this is reseller's license. So if you want to sell this product and all the products in the funnel as your own and keep 100% of the profits, this is the upsell that you want to pick up. And again, I'm promoting this as an affiliate. As you can see, I'm making 50% on the funnel, and you can get 100%, so essentially double your commissions and your earnings. Okay, so these are the OTOs, and right now let me show you my bonuses, including my custom bonus. You're gonna get nowhere else. Even if you want to buy it, it's not available for sale. I made it especially for this promotion. Okay, so as you can see, NewsMakerPRO will be going live on September 28th at 10 a.m. Eastern, and my first bonus is 20 done for you newsletters. So I made these newsletters customly, especially for this promotion. So you know, obviously if you have a news website, it's good to have a newsletter just following up to people, and you can use this with the push notifications, or you can use it via email, or you can even use this on social media. Okay, so these are 20 done for you newsletters, custom bonus to NewsMakerPRO, made by me. No one else will give you this bonus, and you cannot even buy it if you would like to. If you want this bonus, you're gonna have to pick up NewsMakerPRO from my link. All right, now this is only the first bonus. I have a bunch. I have Fiverr Income Secrets and Fiverr Masterclass. This is for everything you need to know about selling on Fiverr. So if you want to flip these sites or selling these services on Fiverr, that's what you're gonna have to know. Riser is a Fiverr course as well. Then we have newbie traffic formula, and then we have Flip Me, everything about flipping, my own WSO of the day awarded course. And I'm also giving you Flip Me Income Booster, which is essentially an expansion of Flip Me, and reseller's license to Flip Me. Okay, the reseller's license alone costs $67 right now. Okay, you're getting all of this for free, by the way. You are also getting urgent arbitrage cash and easy arbitrage profits. Again, everything about flipping. If you would like to flip these sites for massive profits, then I'm adding Blaze, Tube Traffic Avalanche, which are my W's of the Day awarded courses, a real life case study on Facebook, and then 9 money making plugins. So you're getting Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, I Ask, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Short Code Call to Action. And I'm not done. You got 10 more pieces of software and plugins. You're gonna get Authority Traffic Matters, you're gonna get FB Live Reaction, Asian Press, Face Zone, Vid Builder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, Slick Pro, and WP Vid Bot. And that's a total of 31 bonuses, but I'm not done. On top of all of this, you're getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500. So you're gonna get all of the courses from the mega bonus plus the 31 that I just mentioned, and that's a total of $2,325 bonus for free. You're gonna get all of this for free from myself, just as a thank you for picking up NewsMakerPRO through my link. And keep in mind, probably like 80% of everything that I just showed you, these are actual products that are selling. So these are not PLR products, these are not MRR, or however you want to call it. These are actually all my products or products that I got from the vendor, and some custom bonuses as well. Okay, so other people actually paid money for it, and these are actual products that in some cases they are still selling. Okay, so you're getting all of this for free. Massive value. So I'm not exaggerating when I'm selling $2,325. Okay, so guys, again, this product, NewsMaker Pro, will be going live at 10 a.m. Eastern on the 28th of September. Please pick it up through my link to get all of the bonuses that I just mentioned. If you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment on my blog or on my YouTube channel. Please give a like on YouTube if you enjoyed this review video. Obviously subscribe for more, and I will be seeing you very shortly in the next video. Ciao.